Do you think you need fancy gym equipment or hours of workout time to get abs? Well, you don't. Today, I'm going to show you 5 home workouts that are simple, effective, and will carve out your core, all in the comfort of your home. Stick around, because at the end, I'll share a golden tip that will speed up your ab transformation. Getting abs can feel like an impossible goal, right? Especially when you're bombarded with complex routines, expensive equipment, or gym memberships. But let me tell you something. You can achieve a strong, toned core right at home. All you need is consistency and the right exercises. Now, here's the key. These exercises are designed to target your abs from every angle. Upper abs, lower abs, obliques, and even your deep core muscles. But remember, abs aren't just built by exercise. They're revealed by a combination of good nutrition, consistency, and discipline. Let's get started. Exercise number 1, plank. Let's start with the plank. This isn't just a simple exercise, it's a full core workout. Planks strengthen your abs, back, shoulders, and even your glutes. Here's how to do it. Start in a push-up position, but rest your weight on your forearms instead of your hands. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core. This is the key. Avoid letting your hips sag or lifting them too high. Hold this position for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Why it works. Planks are an isometric exercise, which means you're holding your muscles under tension without movement. This builds stability and strengthens your entire core, which is essential for any AB workout routine. Exercise number 2, mountain climbers. Next, we have mountain climbers. This exercise is perfect for people who want to combine cardio with ab training. It gets your heart rate up while engaging your core muscles. Here's how to do it. Start in a push-up position with your hands directly under your shoulders. Bring your right knee toward your chest, then switch to your left knee quickly, as if you're running in place. Do this for 30 to 45 seconds, maintaining a steady pace. Why it works. Mountain climbers target your lower abs and also help you burn calories. The continuous movement challenges your endurance and strengthens your entire core. Exercise number 3, crunches. Moving on to crunches. This is a classic for a reason. It works. Crunches primarily target your upper abs and are great for beginners. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands lightly behind your head, elbows wide. Lift your shoulders off the ground, crunching your upper body toward your knees. Lower back down slowly and repeat for 15 to 20 reps. Pro tip, don't pull on your neck. The movement should come from your core, not your head or shoulders. Exercise number 4, bicycle crunches. Bicycle crunches are a step up from regular crunches. They're great for your obliques, which are the muscles on the sides of your core. Here's how to do it. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head. Lift your legs off the ground and bring your right knee toward your chest while twisting your torso to touch your knee with your left elbow. Switch sides, extending your right leg while bringing your left knee toward your chest and twisting to meet it with your right elbow. Repeat for 15 to 20 reps per side. Why it works. This twisting motion engages your obliques and upper abs, helping to create that V shape. Exercise number 5, jumping jacks. Finally, we have jumping jacks. You might be wondering, what do jumping jacks have to do with abs? Well, they're a fantastic way to burn calories and improve your overall fitness, which is crucial for revealing those abs. Here's how to do it. Stand tall with your feet together and arms by your sides. Jump up, spreading your legs out to the sides while raising your arms overhead. Jump back to the starting position and repeat for 40 to 60 seconds. Why it works. Jumping jacks are a full-body cardio exercise that helps reduce overall body fat, making your abs more visible. Plus, when you engage your core during the jumps, you're giving it an extra workout. Key tips for maximum results. Now, doing these exercises alone won't guarantee visible abs. Here's what you need to focus on. Consistency. Aim for at least 3 to 4 sessions per week. Clean diet. Abs are made in the kitchen. Focus on lean protein, whole grains, healthy fats, and avoid processed foods. Hydration. Staying hydrated helps your muscles recover faster. Rest and recovery. Overworking your muscles can actually slow your progress. Make sure you get enough rest. And here's the golden tip. Focus on progressive overload. As you get stronger, increase the intensity by adding more reps, longer durations, or reducing rest times. What beginners should avoid. Before you dive into into these workouts, let's talk about common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them. Skipping warm-up, jumping straight into AB workouts without warming up can lead to injuries. Spend 5 minutes warming up with light cardio or dynamic stretches. Using momentum, don't rush through exercises like crunches or bicycle crunches. Moving too fast reduces the impact on your core. Focus on controlled movements. Neglecting rest days. Overworking your abs won't help. Your muscles need time to recover and grow stronger. Aim for 1 to 2 rest days a week. Ignoring form. Proper form is everything. For example, in planks, avoid letting your hips sag or lifting them too high. Engage your core throughout, relying only on ab workouts. Remember, abs are made in the kitchen. If your diet isn't clean, these exercises won't show results. Pair workouts with proper nutrition. Avoid these mistakes. Stay consistent and you'll see progress faster than you think. Now it's your turn. What's one mistake you've made in your fitness journey? Let me know in the comments. What's your favorite ab exercise? Let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. See you in the next one.